So coming back to the next lecture of this our nuclear forces and models. After having seen the definition of the nuclear fission, the nuclear reaction, the next article that we are going to see here today is nuclear fission as a chain reaction, and how to control the nuclear reaction, that is controlling of nuclear reaction. And at last I will summarize the lecture by giving the summary. Now chain. Yesterday I have explained you that nuclear fission is nothing but splitting of the nucleus into into two fragments. Large amount of energy is released and neutrons are emitted. The neutrons which are emitted during the chain reactions, they are called as secondary neutrons, and they further carry the next fission. That means this process of fission is not stopped, but it is goes on continuously. That means the additional neutrons released may also hit the other uranium or polonium nuclei and cause them to split. Other neutron means the neutrons which are emitted during the first fission, isn't it? And even more neutrons are then released, and the process of releasing of the secondary neutrons goes on continuously, and the splitting of the nuclei goes on one by one. That means a chain is continuing, isn't it? And this reaction, it is called as the chain reaction. Do you know chain? See here, this tree diagram. These neutrons carry the fission of this uranium nucleus. Then when this uranium nucleus splits up into two fragments, this one and 2, large number of neutrons are emitted. 1, 2, 3, these 3 neutrons. These 3 neutrons cause fission of further uranium. This also called fission of further uranium. This will cause fission of further uranium. That means this process of continuation of fission by the neutrons which are emitted during the fission process is nothing but it is called as chain. The word chain is familiar to all of you, I think. Chain रहती है एक के बाद, that is called as chain. The same chain is there, and that means from this we confirm that nuclear fission, that means splitting of nucleus, is nothing but it is a nuclear reaction, but this nuclear reaction is in form of the chain. That means we can say that nuclear fission is a chain reaction. And this is at the neutron. How this chain is taking place? Because the neutrons which are emitted during the fission, they cause the fission of further uranium. Then again the two nuclei are formed, few neutrons are emitted, energy is released. These neutrons which are emitted, they cause the fission of further uranium nucleus, isn't it? And that means this process is continuous in a particular amount of uranium or polonium and whatever it may be. And that's why we can say that nuclear fission, which is a nuclear reaction, it is of chain type, or it is a chain reaction, or this is called as the chain reaction. And now in case of nuclear reactor, there is a chain reaction. In nuclear reactor, chain reaction is done. Now we have to stop this one. And to stop this one, a particular type of device is used, and that is called as the nuclear reactor. Chain reaction कैसी है? Simple example में अगर आपको बोलूं, so you know that during the Diwali's period, we are using the particular type of that uranium content, यानी कि हम उसको बात करें, पटाखों की लड़ लगाते हैं. देखो, एक ही मर्तबा सारे सिलगाते हैं. हर एक को जो है तो लड़ के अंदर हर एक को अपन जो है तो सिलगाते जा जाके नहीं, खाली एक को अपन जो है तो किसी एक चीज से जो है तो इसको फायर कर दे, लेकिन हम देखते कि उसके बाद एक के बाद धड़ जो है तो पूरा शुरू हो जाता. Isn't it? That means once you are attempting the neutrons to bombard in the nuclear fission, and that means the process is continuous. Just like that one, जैसे पटाखों की लड़ फूटती, उसी तरह जो है तो न्यूक्लियस जो है तो न्यूक्लियर चेन रिएक्शन में फूटते रहते. लेकिन अगर ये फूटने का अगर कम नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा? लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी विल बी रिलीज. एक के बाद एक के पटाखों की लड़ आफ्टर ऑल थोड़ी देर के बाद कम होना चाहिए ना भाई. जितनी ज्यादा बड़ी लड़ रहेंगी, इतनी रहेंगी 10 मीटर की रहेंगी, टू बहुत हुआ तो 1 किलोमीटर की रहेंगी, लेकिन बाद में तो पटाखों की लड़ कहीं ना कहीं स्टॉप देना पड़ेगा ना. तो उसी तरह जब न्यूक्लियर फिजन ये होता है एक यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस का, तो उन्हें फर्दर न्यूक्लियर का करता. तो ये उसको रोकने के वास्ते फिजन 2, 3, 4, 5 स्टेप के बाद रुक जाना. दैट मींस दिस फ्यूजन प्रोसेस इज टू बी स्टॉप. पहले तो बहुत तेजी से रहता, फिर कम होना, और after that one it should get stopped completely, because if this fission process is not stopped, if this chain is not closed, this chain is not stopped, then what happen? अगर chain को हमने स्टॉपिश नहीं करे तो क्या होगा? Large amount of, because we know एक न्यूक्लियस फूटा तो 931 MeV एनर्जी निकलती। अब यहाँ तो न्यूक्लियर फूटते चले जा रहे, see here, this one, this one, this one, this आगे, और इस तरह से, तो large amount of energy will be released, and as a result of this one, a time will become when there will take the form of explosion, and explosion is very dangerous, isn't it? And that's why every time this nuclear fission which is taking place is in the form of chain, and therefore to stop this chain, to stop this fission reaction, there is a particular type of device is used, and that device is called as nuclear reactor. Now what is there in the nuclear reactor, I will explain in the next article, but for time being you only try to understand that nuclear fission, it is a chain reaction. To stop this chain or to minimize this chain reaction, a particular type of device is used, and that device is called as what? Nuclear reactor. Have you got, please? Just said yes or no, then I will go. Are you getting, please?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Now, atomic bomb is what? Just I have told you yesterday that in the atomic bomb there is a fission reaction. But atomic bomb, no doubt fission, but in the atomic bomb there is a chain is there. In nuclear bomb, the idea is opposite to this one. That means nuclear bomb में chain जल्दी खत्म नहीं होती, न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर में आप कुछ तो भी इस्तेमाल करके चैन को जल्दी खत्म करते, जबकि इसके बरक्स जो है तो एटॉमिक बम में जो है, सॉरी न्यूक्लियर बम में जो है तो क्या रहता, chain is continuous, isn't it? So nuclear reactor and atomic this controller, the reactor, these are the two different things. See here, with the help of this one, I am interested to show this one. Can you see this neutron? Can you see my cursor? Please tell yes or no, just in a
Yes,
small. These neutrons, they are bombarded on this uranium. This is the uranium. Uranium क्या? Nucleus, consisting of किसको? Proton and दो अलग अलग कलर के पार्टिकल्स बता रहा मैं. Can you understand, please? This is the uranium nucleus consisting of proton and neutrons, having the 92 protons and 235. That means remaining 136 neutrons, isn't it? And this neutron, which is the initial or primary neutron, it incident on this one, isn't it? Now what happened according to our previous knowledge? See here. This neutron, when incident on this one, it gets splits up into barium and krypton. 3 neutrons are emitted. Remaining is the energy. These 3 neutrons which are emitted, they cause the decay of the further neutrons, further nucleus, and the process is continue as a form of chain. Now this is also taking place in the similar manner. Just I have shown here. This is the uranium comes here. This elimination is not playing properly, but this get splits up into barium and krypton. Large amount of energy is released and neutrons are emitted, isn't it? Now nuclear. Now as in the case of nuclear fission, energy is released. Therefore, I have also told you that the nuclear reaction, which is a chain reaction, it can be used to produce the energy. And therefore, the next point that I am interested to share with you, that chain reaction in the fission reactor, isn't it? Now, what is there? Chain reaction. कैसी chain reaction होती है देख लीजिए please. दिख रहा है एनिमेशन? Can you see please?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है एनिमेशन, दिख रहा, बहुत बारीक है. फिर एक बार डबल से लूंगा मैं. क्या हो रहा जी? फिर एक बार देख लीजिएगा बिगिनिंग से. Now this is the first neutron or primary neutron which you have allowed to strike or to bombard on this uranium nucleus, and then this uranium splits into 2 fragments. Secondary neutrons are formed. देखिए कैसे न्यूट्रॉन जो है तो फॉर्म होते होते जा रहे, नंबर ऑफ तादाद बढ़ रही के कम हो रही, देखिएगा प्लीज. 2 न्यूट्रॉन्स गए, आगे का जाके करें, बढ़ गए. Can you see? Then nuclear reaction,
Yes, sir.
chain reaction, it will be takes in this manner, isn't it? अब इसके ये जो स्लाइड में बताने वाला हूँ, कोई अगर अपने कान के पास कोई अगर हेडफोन लगाकर सुन रहा हो तो थोड़ा हेडफोन बाहर निकाल दे। सेम थिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन केस ऑफ दी, क्योंकि जोर से आवाज मैं यहाँ बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि दिस न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन, हाउ this nuclear reaction is taking place, and in the short period of time large amount of energy is released, and as a result of this explosion is taking place, and that is nothing but that is the nuclear bomb. तो जो अपने कान को हेडफोन लगा रहे हैं थोड़ा सा दूर कर ले, otherwise they will get disturbed. All of you have taken that headphone away from the air. रखो करीब लेकिन थोड़ा सा दूर रखो, isn't it? और जो दूर देख रहे हैं उनका तो मसला ही नहीं. See here, one of the product of the nuclear fission का क्या रहता? Reactions are neutrons. Am I correct? फिजन होता तो उसका 3 प्रोडक्ट में से एक प्रोडक्ट क्या रहते? क्या रहता है एक प्रोडक्ट? न्यूट्रॉन. These, but these are free to hit the other nuclei of uranium-235 nearby, causing this fission as a well releasing additional neutron. As this process is carries on one by one, वो अगले उसका अगले न्यूक्लियस का करता, उन्हें अगले न्यूक्लियस का करता, फिर उन्हें अगले न्यूक्लियस का करता, and this process is continuous. And what happen as a result of the continue nuclei फूटते जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? ये एनर्जी कम रहेंगी कि ज्यादा रहेंगी? Large amount of energy will be released, and in fact each generation of the fission neutron takes only a fraction of second. और fission ऐसा घंटों, अब एक fission हुआ तो एक घंटे के बाद एक fission हो रहा है ऐसा नहीं, but the fission of the nuclear reaction or the fission of the nucleus is taking place in a very short interval of time, and therefore large amount of energy is released in a short period of time. Therefore, as I have told you yesterday, कम वक्त में अगर ज्यादा एनर्जी रिलीज हो गई तो it will take the form of explosion, and this is what happen in the uncontrolled chain reaction. अगर हमने चेन रिएक्शन को कंट्रोल नहीं करे तो क्या काय का रूप अख्तियार कर लीजिए हो? It will take the form of what? It will, if we don't control the chain, हमने कंट्रोल नहीं किया चेन को, कुछ तो भी करके क्या करना पड़ता? We will see in the course of time. Have you understand the basic idea what I am interested to say? Nuclear fission, splitting of nucleus, two fragments are formed, secondary neutrons are formed, amount of energy is released. These neutrons which are formed, they cause the fission of further nuclei particles. Then again, secondary neutrons are formed, large amount of energy is released, and this process is continue one by one in the form of chain. And this process is chain taking place in a very short period of time, and therefore after each nuclei large amount of energy is released. Therefore after fission of large many nuclei, large amount of energy will be released in a short period of time. That means this is the uncontrolled chain reaction, and the uncontrolled chain reaction is nothing but our nuclear bomb. As you know, nuclear bomb was bombarded by America, isn't it, to Hiroshima, Nagasaki. सुना होगा ना आपने कि न्यूक्लियर बम डाला था उन्होंने, तो उसके क्या नुकसानात हुए थे, कितना उसके जो है एनर्जी रिलीज हुई, जिसका आज तक लोग वहां के सफर है, isn't it? So that means the large amount of energy released in a short period of time is very dangerous, and this nuclear bomb, you can say the alternate word for that one is the uncontrolled chain reaction. And this what happened in an uncontrolled chain reaction such as a nuclear bomb. Here with the help of animation, I am going to show you that how the nuclear bomb is taking place by the uncontrolled chain reaction. Once again, I am requesting to all of you, those are using their headphone very close to their ear are requested to take the earphone slightly away from your ear. That is the sound here. Have you heard? सुना आपने? अरशद, तहरीम, तनज़्ज़ा?
Yes, sir.
आवाज सुनाई दी?
Yes, sir.
तहरीम, तनज़्ज़ा, सुमैया?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is such type of sound you might have heard. यहाँ के हकीकत में तो हमने कभी देखा नहीं, अल्लाह ना करे किस वजह से देखने का मौका मिले, लेकिन फिल्मों में वगैरह देखा होगा आपने, है नहीं? Such type. And what is this? This is nothing but this is the nuclear bomb. And according to our knowledge, what is nuclear bomb? This is the uncontrolled chain reaction.
And reaction.
Yes. Now controlling the chain reaction. फिर क्या करना? हमेशा जो है एटॉम न्यूक्लियर बम ही रहना क्या? But now there are the two cases. Fission reaction is used for producing the energy, isn't it? Now, when the new fission is taking place, large amount of energy is released. But this fission is a chain reaction. And suppose to produce the energy, we have to carry out chain reaction. That means fission reaction. But the fission reaction is chain reaction. If the chain reaction is not controlled, then the energy which is obtained, no doubt energy will be obtained, but this energy is not useful for betterment. It will be dangerous. It will be explosive. है क्या नहीं? भाई एनर्जी हासिल करने के वास्ते न्यूक्लियर फिजन करना है क्या नहीं, लेकिन ये फिजन हासिल करने के वास्ते न्यूक्लियस को तोड़ना, न्यूक्लियस को तोड़ना बोले तो फिजन करना बोले तो लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी लेना, लेकिन एनर्जी लिए तो ये फिजन है चेन रिएक्शन को अगर हमने कंट्रोल नहीं करे तो एनर्जी जो रिलीज होंगी वो काय का फॉर्म लेंगी, एक्सप्लोजन का, और एक्सप्लोजन का फॉर्म ली तो वो एनर्जी हमारे काम की है क्या? जैसा मैंने फर्स्ट पीरियड में एग्जांपल दिया था कि भाई स्टोव में आग तो चाहिए हमको, लेकिन कैसी चाहिए? मोतदिल चाहिए ना, am I correct? It to up to a certain extent we want the fire in the stove so that we can cook our things, we can make our tea or all other things. If the fire is in a large, भपका हो गया तो what happen? वो भी एनर्जी, पहले भी एनर्जी दे रहा था, अभी भी एनर्जी दे रहा था, लेकिन हमको एनर्जी कैसी होना? अंडर कंट्रोल होना। तो फिर क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो चेन है उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा हमारे को? प्लीज टेल मी यस और नो, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? सिद्दीकी, कैन यू टेल मी what we have to do? We have to control the chain reaction, and to control, we can control the chain reaction by using the control rods inserted into the uranium to slow down the chain reaction. That means nuclear fission, it is a chain reaction, isn't it? Chain reaction means there is a one product side, one is the reactant side. In the reactant, which are the factor? Neutrons and what? Neutrons and यूरेनियम, ये दोनों। न्यूक्लियर फिजन का रिएक्टेंट साइड क्या है? न्यूट्रॉन्स और यूरेनियम। तो ये जो यूरेनियम है इसके अंदर हमने क्या ऐड करना? इफ इन द यूरेनियम सम कंट्रोल रॉड्स आर एडेड। रॉड बोले तो बात आपका अपना रॉड नहीं, इसके रॉड रहते एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल के, वो हम देखेंगे। वी कैन यूज द कंट्रोल रॉड इंसर्टेड इनटू द यूरेनियम to slow down the chain reaction. Now please tell me, to continue the chain, which factor is important? भाई chain काय के वास्ते हो रही है? Please unmute yourself. Though I have told you to mute, but just unmute within 2 seconds. Please tell me, nuclear fission काय के वजह से हो रही? ये reaction chain काय की वजह से हो रही? chain, please, yes. कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है चैन के वास्ते?
न्यूक्लियर फिजन।
फिजन तो है ना, लेकिन न्यूक्लियर फिजन मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? चैन है, पहला फिजन होता, फिर दूसरा होता, फिर तीसरा होता, फिर चौथा होता, इट इज अ चैन। गेटिंग? नाउ आई एम आस्किंग यू दैट दिस फिजन इज कैरिंग आउट इन फॉर्म ऑफ चैन, which factor is responsible for carrying out the further fission? Yes,
Neutrons of the uranium.
Yes, which are emitted in the fission, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now I am asking you, if we number of neutrons which are produced after first fission, suppose they are 8, for example, if we do something, if we add some material in the uranium such a way that in the first fission, out of 8, suppose 6 are produced, 6 are produced, हमने यूरेनियम के अंदर ऐसा कुछ मिला दिए मिक्सचर, ठीक है, अपन बोलते हैं भाई इसके अंदर ये मिलाओ जरा ठंडा हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं? गर्म पानी है तो अपन क्या बोलते हैं? मिलाओ ठंडा पानी मिलाओ, है कि नहीं? क्या हो जाएगा? ठंडा हो जाएगा। जैसा आप जो है तो केमिकल रिएक्शन में बोलते हैं कैटलिस्ट है, रिएक्शन को रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन बढ़ाती, है कि नहीं? वैसे यहाँ पे रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन कम करने का बोले तो क्या करने का? अपने को न्यूट्रॉन जो प्रोड्यूस हो रहे सेकेंडरी न्यूट्रॉन्स, उनकी क्वांटिटी अगर हमने कम कर दिए, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल पहले वक्त समझो 8 मिले, वो 8 में जाके जो है तो फर्दर कर रहे थे, फिर उन्होंने जाके और दूसरा करके उन्होंने और 10 निकाल रहे थे। अगर हमने ऐसा कुछ यूरेनियम के अंदर जो है तो मटेरियल डाल दिए जो यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस है, तो क्या होगा? नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन्स व्हिच आर इमिटेड आफ्टर ईच fission is goes on decreasing. This is the one thing. Secondly, what happened? Suppose in the first fission 8 neutrons are emitted, isn't it? Out of 8, 8 के 8 जो है तो फर्दर फ्यूजन कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं? लेकिन हमने यूरेनियम के अंदर ऐसा कुछ मटेरियल डाल दिए तो उसमें के जो ज्यादा एनर्जी वाले हैं वो अगला फ्यूजन करेंगे, और जो कम एनर्जी वाले हैं वो जो मटेरियल जो है न्यूट्रॉन अब्सॉर्बिंग मटेरियल वो क्या कर लेगा, न्यूट्रॉन एब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा। तो बजाय 8 के 8 जाके अगला फ्यूजन करने के बजाय 8 के बजाय कितने करेंगे फ्यूजन? 8 में तो समझो 4 एब्सॉर्ब कर लिया मटेरियल, तो कितना फ्यूजन करेंगे, बचे हुए कितने रहेंगे?
4.
4। कौन से वो भी जिनकी एनर्जी जो ताकतवर थे वो जाएंगे ना भाई आप समझ लीजिए आप कि न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन करने में बीच में आपने लगा दिया न्यूक्लियर न्यूट्रॉन एब्सॉर्बिंग मटेरियल। यहाँ से जैसे न्यूट्रॉन पैदा हुए कि इन्हें क्या करेंगे, जो हल्के रहेंगे बेचारे कमजोर उनको तो इन्हें एब्सॉर्ब कर लेंगे। इसको पार करके कौन आगे आएगा अगला फ्यूजन करने के वास्ते, जिनकी एनर्जी ज्यादा है, isn't it? That means if we put the neutron absorber material in the uranium, then what happen? These secondary neutrons which are produced after each fusion, their number will be decreased. Only those neutrons will carry the further fusion having the more energy, and that's why पहले वक्त 8 पैदा हुए थे, 4 एब्सॉर्ब हो गए, फिर बकिया 4 ने जाके 8 पैदा करने के बजाय 6 पैदा करे, फिर पैदा जाके फिर 2 पैदा करे, ऐसा करके 2 3 4 स्टेप के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, चेन स्टॉप हो जाएगी। दैट मींस व्हाट वी हैव टू ऐड, we have to add neutron absorbing material in the uranium, isn't it? And these neutron absorbing material contain the atoms. कौन है neutron absorbing material जो जनरली रिएक्टर के अंदर इस्तेमाल करना? तो बोरॉन और कैडमियम, that can absorb the fission neutrons without undergoing a fission reaction. यानी कि बोरॉन और कैडमियम ऐसे है कि ये न्यूट्रॉन को एब्सॉर्ब कर लेते हैं और जल्दी उनका खुद का फिजन नहीं होता, यानी कि वो न्यूट्रॉन की तादाद को कम कर देते। जब when the number of neutrons which are produced get less or shorted down, then few neutrons will be remain to carry the further fusion, and therefore what happen, after each stage number of protons goes on decreasing, that energy will also goes on decreasing, and as a result will come, or as a result of this, after 2 3 4 stages the nuclear fission or chain of nuclear fission will get stopped, isn't it? Have you got, please? These rods ensure that an average of one further fission occurs after every nucleus that is splits. So only 1 or 2 3 neutrons will be produced in the fission of the nucleus that will hit the another uranium nucleus, and others will be absorbed by the atoms. यानी क्या बोल रहे हैं हम कि जितने न्यूट्रॉन्स पैदा होंगे उसमें के कुछ तो 2/3 तो ये अब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा, बचे हुए कुछ रहेंगे वो फर्दर फ्यूजन करेंगे, और ऐसे 2 3 स्टेप के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन करने के वास्ते न्यूट्रॉन बाकी नहीं रहेंगे। जब न्यूट्रॉन बाकी नहीं रहेंगे तो फ्यूजन होगा क्या? नो। और व्हेन देयर इज नो फ्यूजन, दैट मींस अल्टीमेटली वी कैन से द चेन इज स्टॉप। सी हियर हाउ इट इज देयर, सी हियर दीस आर द न्यूक्लियाई, दैट मींस दिस आर यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस, अलग अलग है, एक न्यूट्रॉन और ये बीच में हमने ऐसे रॉड डाले। कैन यू सी माय कर्सर, दीस रॉड्स व्हिच आई हैव प्लेस्ड हियर, समझाने के लिए लिया मैंने। कैन यू सी दीस लाइंस? Can you see, please?
Yes, sir.
See here. See what happened very carefully. क्या हुआ जी? Can you see what is happening? Can you see, please, what is happening and tell me? क्या हुआ था? Can you explain this animation to me? That means what happened in the beginning? These neutrons get inserted on the nucleus. Nucleus is splits up. 2 neutrons are formed. One is get absorbed by this one. दिख रहा है क्या आपको? पहले आप इधर एब्सॉर्ब होता हुआ, इन्हें क्या करा, न्यूट्रॉन्स को एब्सॉर्ब कर लिया है, एक ही गया इधर। समझ में आ रही ना बात? प्लीज टेल मी yes or no.
Yes, sir.
That means, girls, please, these are the neutron absorbing material. And what happened? यहाँ जितने पैदा हुए थे न्यूट्रॉन्स उतने मिले क्या इधर आखिर तक? गर्ल्स सेक्शन प्लीज, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
That means this is nothing but this is the control of the nuclear chain reaction. I understand how to control the nuclear reaction, and this adjustment or this controlling of the nuclear chain reaction is taking place in a particular type of instrument, and that instrument is called as nuclear reactor. There are large many reactor camp in India. You might have heard their name, isn't it? सेंटर कौन कौन से हम बताएंगे आपको आखिर में. समझ में आया कि आपको न्यूक्लियर फिजन यू हैव गॉट? प्लीज अनम्यूट एंड टेल मी यस नो, ओनली दिस वन. न्यूक्लियर फिजन, nuclear fission
Yes,
is
sir.
nuclear fission is a chain reaction. If this chain reaction is not controlled, then it will take the form of explosion. To control this chain reaction, a particular type of device is used that is called as the nuclear reactor. In the nuclear reactor, the neutron absorbing material is used. This nuclear absorbing material absorb the large number of neutrons which are emitted during the fission and put or keep less number of neutrons for the further fission. And after 2 to 3, 4 steps, the nuclear fission get stopped. That means the chain get stopped or chain is discontinued. Chain क्या हो जाती? Discontinue हो जाती. And this is nothing but it is called the method of controlling the nuclear chain reaction. Now, what is the benefit or what are the application of controlling the chain reactions? Let's see. The atomic bomb, fission bomb, triggering a chain reaction of the uranium-235 or polonium-239 must have minimum amount of radioactive isotope to sustain the chain reaction. That means the critical mass of that one. न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट सुने होंगे ये नाम. कितने न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट के नाम सुने होंगे आपने? कन्वर्ट द हीट एनर्जी फ्रॉम द फिजन चेन रिएक्शन इनटू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. है क्या अपने पास? परली में भी था ना, है क्या बंद हो गया? परली है, मुंबई है, तारापुर है. ऑल दीज आर न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स इन इंडिया. Large many. You can go to the Google and see how many power plants are working right now in India. So what they are doing, these power plants? These power plants are converting the heat energy which is obtained during the fission. क्योंकि एनर्जी तो पैदा करने का फिजन से, लेकिन वो एनर्जी अलग अलग काम के वास्ते इस्तेमाल करने का, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के वास्ते, लाइट के वास्ते, ऑल दिस थिंग. So that nuclear plants are doing what they are doing. They are carrying out the fission reaction. That fission reaction, it is controlled by using the particular type of adjustment that is nuclear reactor, and that energy which is obtained during the fission, during the chain reaction, they use into the electricity and for the further process. Control the chain reaction with the control rod. कैसे कंट्रोल करना न्यूक्लियर चेन रिएक्शन? यूजिंग कंट्रोल रॉड्स और कंट्रोलिंग रॉड्स. क्या काम करते हैं? that absorb the neutrons which are emitted after fission reaction. Have you got, please? So with this one, this article is over here. So thank you. We will stop here. Now if you are having any question, you may please